we have already discussed the concepts of rule based systems. We will further look into the applications of rule based systems across different domains, and by illustrating their successful integration in industries such as healthcare, finance, manufacturing and logistics, readers gain a deeper understanding of how these systems revolutionize problem solving. So, first let us recap about the rule based systems and then we will switch to its application. Imagine you are teaching a super smart computer how to understand and make decisions, almost like teaching a robot how to think. That is what a rule based system does in computer science. It is used to store and manipulate knowledge. This means that this computer brain stores knowledge in the form of rules, kind of like instructions that help the computer make sense of things. It uses those rules we talked about to interpret data, messages and even questions. It is like giving the computer a set of tools to figure out what is happening or what to do next. Also, the rule based systems are used in artificial intelligence application, which means they help computers do tasks that usually need human like thinking. The rules in the rule based systems are created by humans. These rules are carefully crafted by people who understand the problem and know how to solve it. In a nutshell, we can say that a rule based system is like giving a computer a set of rules or instructions to help it think, understand and make decisions. It is a way to make computers smarter and more useful. It is used to in things like talking to virtual assistants, playing strategy games and so much more in the world of technology. In a rule based system, there are two important elements. One is a set of rules and a set of facts. Every rule specifies a relation, recommendation, directive, strategy or heuristic and has if then else structure. As soon as the condition part of the rule is satisfied, the rule gets triggered and the action parts get executed. For example, a trigger might be an email containing the word invoice. An action might then be to forward the mail to the finance team. So, a rule based AI models are like giving your computer a set of instructions, that is rules, and information, that is facts, to make it act smartly. When a specific situation matches the conditions you have set, that is trigger, the computer takes the action you have told to it. Now, coming to the main point, that is the applications of the rule based systems. Let us explore some practical applications of rule based systems in different fields. Healthcare, finance and engineering are just a few examples of sectors and applications that use rule based systems. Following are some instances of rule based systems in AI. One is the medical diagnosis based on the patient's symptoms, medical history and the test findings. A rule based systems in AI can make a diagnosis. The system can make a diagnosis by adhering to a series of guidelines developed by medical professionals. Next can be one of the application is fraud detection based on the particular criteria such as transactions value, location and time of day. A rule based systems in AI can be used to spot fraudulent transactions. The systems for the additional examination can then flag the transaction. Another application of rule based system can be found in quality control, like a rule based system in AI can ensure that products satisfy particular quality standards. Based on a set of guidelines developed by quality experts, the system can check for the flaws. Next, another is application of rule based system is decision support system. They are created to aid decision making such as choosing which assets to buy or what to buy. Like for example, in a Facebook you get the options or the suggestions, you get the pop-ups that you have bought these things, the persons have bought these things, bought these things and it can be a many combinations that you can buy. So, this is what the decision support system. In a nutshell, rule-based systems make computers super helpful in life situations. They help doctors diagnose, catch fraud, ensure quality and even provide advice. By following rules and using facts, computers become smart assistants in various fields, making tasks easier and more accurate. So, we will be seeing now the examples of a rule based system where the industries have adopted this in healthcare. So, rule based system experts have been used in healthcare to provide medical diagnosis and treatment recommendations. For example, MySyn is a rule based expert system developed in 1970, was designed to assist physicians in diagnosis and treatment of bacterial infection. Another example is Dexplane, which uses a rule based approach to assist physicians in diagnosing medical conditions. Also in finance, the rule based expert systems used in finance to provide investment advice and financial analysis. For example, FICO, the credit scoring system, is a rule based expert system that uses credit history and another financial data to assess credit worthiness. Another example of finance is Legal Rule ML, a rule based system for legal decision making. Another one of the area is manufacturing, used to improve production process and optimize supply chain management. For example, General Electric used a rule based expert system to optimize the production process of its aircraft engines, resulting in significant cost savings and improved efficiency. Below are some popular examples of expert systems. Dendral, it is used as an artificial intelligence project that was made as a chemical analysis expert system used in organic industry to detect unknown organic molecules with the help of their mass spectra and knowledge base of chemistry. MySyn, which is earliest backward chaining expert system designed to find the bacteria causing infections like bacteremia and meningitis, also used for recommendation of antibiotics and the diagnosis of blood clotting disease. PXDES, used to determine the type and level of lung cancer. To determine the disease, it takes a picture from the upper body which looks like a shadow. This shadow identifies the type and the degree of harm. CADET, it is diagnostic support system that detect cancer at early stages. So, a rule based system depends upon facts and rules that needs to be specified while creating the rule based system expert, and in the next lecture series we will discuss the concepts and techniques that is required to handle the uncertain situations. Thank you.